What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Chime Credit Builder Card. And in this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of your Chime Credit Builder experience. The Chime Credit Builder Card is designed to help you build credit responsibly while enjoying the convenience of a credit card. It works like a traditional credit card but with a unique twist to support your financial goals. You can use your Chime Credit Builder credit card anywhere Visa cards are accepted. From everyday purchases like gas, groceries, streaming services, recurring bills to entertainment expenses, your Chime Credit Builder Card has you covered. Remember, you can only spend what you have in your account. The amount you transfer to your Credit Builder account determines your spending limit. Add more funds if you wish to increase your spending capacity. Utilize your Chime Credit Builder Card strategically to boost your credit score. Make regular purchases within your means and ensure timely payments to demonstrate responsible credit usage. This proactive approach can help you improve your credit worthiness over time. At the end of each month, the Safer Credit Building feature allows you to automatically pay off your balance using the money in your secured account. Utilize the Move My Pay feature to effortlessly transfer funds into your Credit Builder account on every payday. Alternatively, manually move money from your checking account whenever needed. You can withdraw cash from any ATM using your Credit Builder Card without incurring interest or fees at in-network ATMs. This unique feature sets Chimes apart from traditional credit cards, providing you with flexibility and convenience. In conclusion, the Chime Credit Builder Card offers a smart and user-friendly way to build credit and manage your finances effectively. By following these simple steps and utilizing the features provided, you can make the most of your Chime Credit Builder experience. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.